quickly discuss the most important SAP MM movement types you must know. 101. Goods received with reference to PO. You receive materials from your vendor. Use 101 to post stock into inventory. 102. Reversal of 101. Posted the GR by mistake. Use 102 to cancel the 101. 103. GR into block stock. When materials need quality check, 103 sends them to GR block stock. 105. Release from block to unrestricted. Once approved, 105 moves them to available inventory. 122. Return delivery to vendor. To return defective item to vendor with PO reference. 161. Return delivery with PO reference. Similar to 122 but used for return with proper accounting impact. 201. Goods issued to cost center. Stock consumed internally by departments. Post it using 201. 261. Goods issued for production. When raw materials are issued to a production order. 411. Consignment stock to own stock. Transfer consignment stock to unrestricted own stock. 541. Goods issued to subcontractor. Formally reduces your stock when you send raw materials to subcontractor. 451. Return delivery without PO. Urgent return with no PO? Use 451 for non-PO returns. 501. Goods received without reference to PO. Receive stock not tied up to any PO like samples or donations. 561. Initial stock upload. During an implementation of a project, use 561 to upload your opening stock. 641. Stock transfer during intra-STO. Used for plant-to-plant transfer, send stock to in-transit. 643. Goods issue from issuing plant during inter-STO. Marks the dispatch of stock from issuing plant in an inter-STO process. 701. Inventory gain. Found more stock than SAP shows during physical inventory? Use 701 to post the surplus and sync the system. 702. Inventory loss. Stock is missing compared to SAP quantity? Use 702 to post the shortage after physical count. Follow Rise Infotech for daily SAP tips and real-time insights.